Hi all. This lecture series is all about operations management. Let's begin with basics of operations. Let's see why operations as a functional department in any organization, like other functional departments like HR, marketing, finance, and other related business functions. Operations is also one other function of any organization or any business unit. So let's see why operation and what are the basics of operation. Okay, the basics of operation only we could understand by the scope and the salary, that the remuneration part that happens in the operation management field. So let's see what scope is all about. Operation with other electives: HR operations, finance operations, marketing operations, logistic operations. So in HR operations it is admin role. In finance operations it's investment. It's all about investment. Excuse me. In marketing operations, it's sales targets. In logistic operations, it's e-commerce. So operations plays a vital role in other business functions. So if you take any business functions, invariably the operations comes into action. Be it is HR, be it is finance, be it is marketing, or be it is logistics. Next is operations management. What sort of knowledge do you have about operation management, and what are the characteristics of operation management? Production and operations. How production and operations work hand in hand. With a better operating strategy, production, the efficiency, speed, quality, cost, everything will be on par or above par. That is how the production and operation works hand in hand effectively and efficiently. Now production operations. So production operations is all about three categories. One is quality, other is time, and the other is cost. But though these aspects are taken into consideration, when it comes to quality and time, people should be managed effectively. When it comes to cost and time, the technology should be managed effectively. Only when the people and the technology is of good quality and is optimal time is being used, there happens cost reductions. If not, it incurs a lot of cost and loss. But what about production and operations values? Effectiveness plus efficiency is equal to productivity. How effectively and efficiently a product is produced, that is how productivity is being calculated. And that is all about these slides. Now let us see how this production is productivity and operations are in hand. Whenever in any business unit, if there is no proper strategy of operations, we will not know from where are we procuring the raw materials, and what sort of labors have been implemented, and what sort of technologies have been implemented in the production unit. All this will not be in a streamlined way. It will be totally a chaos. So when effectiveness and efficiency happens, the production and operation will be definitely work well. That is how the production and operation works hand in hand with the operation sector. That's how operations and supply chain management are correlated. Supply chain management is taking a finished good to the marketplace or to the end user is called supply chain management, and operations is on the other hand is about complete production. How the raw materials and the other resources employed in any firm contributes to the production of a finished good is all about operations. So there should be a proper operation strategy. Only then the supply chain can be effectively managed. Be it is operations, be it is supply chain management, there comes logistics. The logistics involved with the operations is known as inbound logistics, and the logistics that is involved with the supply chain management is called outbound logistics, because this outbound logistics is all about taking the product to the customer. This inbound logistics is all about bringing the resources together for the production process and bringing out a proper finished good. That is how the inbound logistics and outbound logistics are irrespective of its nature. But combinedly, without the inbound and outbound logistics, the operations or the supply chain management would be definitely ineffective. So, in any production area, there should be proper operations and proper supply chain management for it to be a successful operation, successful business. Thank you, and hope you all have an idea about what operations is. Thank you so much.